Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most requested comparisons in the EV world. Volkswagen ID.4 versus Tesla Model Y. Two electric SUVs, two different philosophies, and one big question. Which one is the better buy in 2025? Let's break it down, starting with performance. Let's get straight to the numbers. The Tesla Model Y has always been famous for one thing: brutal acceleration. Even in its standard version, the Model Y goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 6.6 seconds, while the long-range and performance versions push that down to 5 seconds, or even 3.7 seconds. That's sports car territory. Meanwhile, the Volkswagen ID.4 takes a more balanced approach. The standard rear-wheel drive ID.4 produces around 150 kilowatts and reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 8.5 seconds. But the newer ID.4 AWD models do tighten the gap, offering 220 kilowatts and a quicker 6-second sprint. So yes, if acceleration is your priority, Tesla wins easily. But performance isn't only about speed. Tesla offers a sharper, lighter, more responsive feel. The question is, do you want a compact rocket or a comfortable cruiser? Now let's talk about range, one of the most important factors with any EV. The Model Y long range is the clear winner here, offering up to 533 kilometers WLTP. Even the base version gets around 455 kilometers thanks to Tesla's highly efficient motors. The ID.4 delivers between 370 and 520 kilometers, depending on battery size and drive configuration. Not bad, but still behind Tesla's efficiency. Volkswagen's ID.4 uses public CCS networks, which are improving but still not as seamless or consistent as Tesla's. So if long road trips are part of your lifestyle, Tesla definitely has the advantage. Inside the cabin, the difference between these cars is huge. The Model Y interior is extremely minimalistic. One large center screen, no physical buttons, everything digital. It feels futuristic, clean, and very Tesla-like. But for some drivers, it's too minimalistic, because even simple functions like adjusting air vents or mirrors require screen interactions. The Volkswagen ID.4, on the other hand, combines modern tech with a more traditional layout. You still get a digital cockpit, a central touchscreen, ambient lighting, and updated systems. But you also get physical controls where it matters, a more solid cabin feel, and better materials in many versions. Many reviewers say the ID.4's interior feels more premium and comfortable, while Tesla feels more futuristic, but a bit bare and less refined. But Volkswagen counters with better build quality, better sound insulation, and a cabin that feels more like a traditional European SUV. Both cars are practical, but in different ways. The ID.4 also offers excellent space and a flat floor, but the Model Y still wins when it comes to maximum cargo capacity and interior volume. For family use, road trips, or hauling stuff, Model Y equals more space, more usability. Tesla, meanwhile, is more expensive, but offers better performance, better tech, and a more advanced charging ecosystem. So it depends on what you value more. Affordability and comfort? ID.4. Speed, tech, charging, and space? Model Y. Conclusion: which one should you buy? If you want an EV that is fun, fast, packed with technology, and built for long-distance travel, the Tesla Model Y is still the king of this segment. But if you prefer comfort, solid build quality, a quieter ride, and a more traditional European feel, the Volkswagen ID.4 might be the better choice for your daily life. Both are great electric SUVs, but the right one depends on your lifestyle.